George. This is Mummy Pig, and this is Daddy Pig.
Electrical conductivity. Yesterday that pig bought Peppa a mobile phone.
I'm so happy with my new mobile phone.
Be careful with your mobile phone, Peppa, and don't waste battery doing
Silly things.
silly things.
Yes, Dad. Come on, George. Let's play with my phone inside the house.
Yes, great.
I have to take my dinosaur.
George, you have your dinosaur there.
Oh, yes, sorry.
Come on, let's play, George.
Lo paro.
They are always playing. They have to be careful.
Yes, that mobile is expensive.
I have to go shopping.
Okay, I will take care of Peppa and George.
No.
20 minutes later. Oh my God, the screen is black.
You break the phone, Peppa.
Peppa started crying while George called that pig.
Hey, Peppa, what happened?
I break the phone. It doesn't work.
Oh, don't worry. Just look for the charger.
Okay, Dad. Thank you.
Zebra calls that pig.
Hey, I need your help. My lorry is broken, and I can't deliver the mail. I need you right now.
Okay, we'll be there in 5 minutes. I'm home. I leave you with Mom. Peppa, look for the charger.
I will help you, Peppa.
Yay! Thanks.
That pig goes to help Zebra while George and Peppa look for the charger.
Here is the charger, Peppa.
Oh, thanks, George. I'm going to connect the charger. I will look in the internet why it doesn't work.
Peppa looks for information on the internet.
Oh, look, electrical conductivity.
I'm back, Peppa. Here is the charger. Peppa.
Oh, look, George, that's an insulator.
What?
What is electrical conductivity? It is the reciprocal of electrical resistivity and measures a material ability to conduct an electrical current. What is an electrical conductor? A conductor is an object or type of material that allows the flow of electrical current in one or more directions. Insulators are the contrary of conductors. Ta-cha!
The dinner is ready.
Dinner!
End.
Hey, I'm that pig. In this episode, Peppa tried to charge his mobile phone with a charger made of paper by Little George. This was impossible because paper doesn't conduct electricity. It's an insulator. She has to use the proper charger made of copper wires, which are conductors and electronic components.